Okay, y'all, let's talk about this color carousel. The carousel will come in 2 pieces, a flat brown box plus an extra set of shelves on top. This is the only unit of its kind with all of these extra shelves. Starting with the brown box, slide out the base and the topper plus the middle section of the unit. The base spins, that's how you'll know it's the bottom, and the top has cutout sections for paintbrushes, extra tools, and small tray sections. You will also find the first set of shelves inside of this part too. I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to do this. Take the top part face down and push the middle sections into the grooves. Then you'll attach the base at the top and use the small rubber bands to secure around the hooks. These rubber bands are basically the glue to the entire system. Once all of the rubber bands are in place, you're going to flip the unit over and do the same to the top section. Now the fun part, we put in the shelves. We recommend starting with this shelf that has the little sections that match the topper opening. This is where you're going to put in your paintbrushes and your tools. I actually decided to go with the very top notches for this shelf to maximize space underneath, but you can go down further if you feel like your paintbrushes need the extra security. The length of our brushes, however, did very well. On the shelves, you only have to rubber band one side because the opposite side is actually just a hook. Now this is where you're going to play around with the spacing. You can do very shallow spacing or deeper spacing. It depends on what your needs are for the color that you're trying to store. I do think it's a little easier to skip 2 notches, and that way you can access your small jars more easily. Having the extra 6 shelves is one of the best things about this product. Most of the time, items like this only come with 4 shelves. We went the extra mile and got 6 additional shelves, so you can customize everything the way you want. And again, have lots of storage space. So right here, I decided to test how many small jars we could fit on one shelf. You can fit a total of 6 small jars on this one shelf. That's pretty good. And on the top here, I'm just putting in the paintbrushes, fondant tools, a spatula, but you can put any of your regular tools up in this area. For my next trick, I'm going to show you how to really maximize space on this part of the unit. Turn it all the way to the opposite end of where we started and stick in your shelves, only skipping 1 notch. Yep, you heard me. I like to call this my Master Elite only section, sticking the large jars on the very top and filling it with all of the Master Elite colors on the middle shelves. You can pile in your Master Elites however you please. Pack it in at the back, pull the more popular ones to the front, fill it in at the very bottom. I mean, honestly, pack this to the gills, as my very southern mother would say. Even tuck your coloring down there. And now we finish off the last 2 sections and work with the notches that are left. Just find space, stick in your shelves, and start to conceptualize what you want to put in. I went with Diamond Dust spray bottles, Diamond Dust small jars to show you can stack them, and of course all of the little color solutions because they help adhere that diamond dust. This section makes total sense. And now we head to the final section. I know, I can't believe we did it. And the large color solution won't fit, so I'm actually putting it there. It worked perfectly. And for the final section, we'll put in the best chocolate colors, Chocolates, plus the #1 selling sterling pearls in large jars. And I love this section because chocolate treats and pearls go together like Master Elites in icing. And when you get the carousel, don't forget to utilize the top trays with little tools and wire cutters. Apparently, that was Ed's idea, so I replaced it with piping bag clips. Either way, however you organize it, you're going to love this product. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration, and we thank you always for being Team Sugar Art.